How to cancel Discord subscription. So if you want to cancel your Discord subscription, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then on the search bar you can search for Discord, and after that it will take you to the website, or you can also search for discord.com. It will directly take you to the website page, and on the upper right corner you will have open Discord option. Click on that, and then make sure to log into your Discord. So I have already logged in. Now on the bottom corner you will have your user settings. Click on that, and then here under user settings you will have a bunch of options. So if you just come down you will find subscriptions. Click on that, and for now I don't have any active subscriptions, but if you have any subscriptions then you will find a cancel option here, and after clicking on cancel you can confirm your cancellation of subscription. And that's it guys, that's how you do it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.